moment has come for us to part. The path may change, we'll keep the heart. But we have shared shall never fade, for in the time's hand it is well laid. Go with strength, your path is clear. Yet this moment mark will stay near. Distance may stretch, but bonds won't break. In every thought we will partake.
2 years ago, we walked into IBS Gurgaon and the strangers, carrying dreams in our hearts and aspirations in our minds. Little did we know that these walls would become our second home and these strangers would become our family.
Feels like yesterday navigating these walls as eager students wondering what lays ahead.
Remember those study sessions in the PG rooms and the late night online meetings for project work? The struggle was real, but so were the bonds we built in.
To the countless cups of chai in the canteen, which not only fueled our discussions but also our dreams.
Oh, annual fest splits. The stage, the performances, the energy, the movement that we own.
Continuous evaluations became a way of life. Daily presentations, vivas, and group discussions taught us resilience and teamwork and made us competitive public speakers.
I can still hear the echoes of our laughter in the corridors. This companionship that is built here is unmatchable.
Who could forget the struggles of finding a place in a crowded parking lot? We are the masters of creative parking.
Our faculties who have shaped us, challenged us, and guided us with their unwavering support, their lessons will remain with us forever.
Remember our freshers party? The nervous introduction, the endless dancing, and the start of our lifelong friendship? Ethnic Day, where we celebrated diversity with vibrant colors and cultural pride. Those shared moments during Diwali, Lodi, and Independence Day on 15th August that made campus our home away from our home. Those chai breaks during exam that gave us the strength to keep going. Fridays were our fun Fridays, packed with club activities, creative events, and an electric atmosphere that brought us all closer together. Those incredible lessons outside our classrooms through cells and committees that taught us teamwork, leadership, and the value of collaboration. The global immersion visit to Dubai and France, we created memories, experiencing global business environments and exploring new cultures and bonding with each other. The thrill of events like Blitzkrieg, Arambh, and Campus Entrepreneur that let us shine. Through all these challenges, which stood by each other, the journey wasn't easy, but it was all worth it.
Juniors, you were not just juniors. You were our family. In every laugh, in every moment, you will stay with us forever.
Thank you for being our support system and friends. Your warmth made every day brighter. The journey isn't about achievements, but finding yourselves. Embrace every challenge and grow. Carry forward the spirit of unity and togetherness. Make these 2 years your own unforgettable journey.
Thank you, IBS Gurgaon, for this incredible learning experience that shaped us into who we are today. Grateful for the friendships that begins here. It will last a lifetime.
To the faculty and guides who were our mentors, guides, and cheerleaders, thank you for the unwavering support. Gratitude for the challenges that pushed us to grow. Thank you for preparing us for the real world.
Thank you for the moments of celebration triumphs. You have been the backdrop of our proudest achievements.
For the cultural diversity that enriched our experience and perspective, thank you, IBS Gurgaon. Grateful for lessons learned inside and outside classroom. They shaped not just our mind but also our character. Placement season was time of stress and anticipation, but we were never alone. Thanks to our faculty, placement managers, and friends who supported us at every step.
As we stand on the brink of new beginnings, we glance back one last time. This campus, these classrooms, and these memories will forever hold a piece of us. Here's to the late night group studies, the shared meals, the endless debates, and the spontaneous plans. And here's to the victory we have celebrated together and the failures we have learned from them. Here's to the class of 2025, forever connected by memories and strengthened by the bond of IBS Gurgaon. IBS Gurgaon,
our foundation.
our community.
Class of 2025, signing off.
Signing off.
Signing off.
Signing off.
Signing off.
Signing.